Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to HBI Auto. We are starting this video off in a 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera cab. This is one of the newer 992s that we have available right now at HBIAuto.com. This is a beautiful 12,000 mile 911 that honestly, I'm actually really digging this one. This is a beautiful spec. You've got silver with black, and we're going to go ahead and dive right into it today. So starting off with the interior, like I said, you have a beautiful black interior. This is a full black leather interior. I really do like it. It looks very simple. It's very clean. Now, since we've talked about a plethora of 992s in this channel, I'm not going to get too far into this one as far as power and general specs go. Just kind of showing you guys what this one offers. Now you have a beautiful black leather steering wheel with the black top dead center on here. This is a PDK transmission car. This one does have sport mode, and you do have like sport chassis. It doesn't have actually a separate exhaust button on there, but I've discovered when you are driving in sport mode, it does have really nice little burbles when you let off the throttle. So don't be alarmed. You still have those cool little backfires on there. But I digress. Moving along. Beautiful center console area. With this one only having 12,000 miles on it, it's beautiful. It is barely broken into, and it's clear to see that the previous owner took really good care of this car. I know it's summer, and I know a lot of you guys have leather seats, and it is so freaking hot. I'm not even gonna lie, getting into this car it was criminal at how hot it was. But nonetheless, this car has heated and cooled seats, so I popped that cooled seat button on immediately, and it is so nice to have that. Just being able to stay cool while driving. One thing that I hate is just being really sweaty while driving. I just don't like it. So I blast the AC, blast these cooled seats, and I feel so good. So that's a really huge perk about these seats. I really do like them. I love how they are like very comfortable, very sporty. Now these are half automatic and half manual adjustable seats. I really do love also these red seat belts. They're kind of like a dark red, almost like a burgundy, and I really do like how that works. Now, taking a look at the exterior, the 992 has beautiful body lines to begin with, and when you combine that with the Cabriolet, it looks even cooler, and honestly, it's just really sporty in my opinion. Even though I've told you guys I'm not really a fan of convertible tops, I really do like the styling with the 992, especially I think it helps a lot having that active arrow wing. As you can see, I have it in the upright position right now, and again, I think it just adds to the sportiness. Almost reminds me of like a 991.2 Turbo S cab, which is actually really funny. But I digress. These cars look so good. Cabs, Targas, hardtop coupes. I think it looks really good. And one thing I really do love about this 911 specific, it has a dual quad tipped exhaust in here, which you don't really see too often. But I really like the design for that. And overall, the rear end on this car just looks phenomenal in my opinion. That is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in this 911 cab, I've left a link in the description below so you can check out all the full information and photos on this car. Go ahead and schedule your test drive or your virtual appointment right now at HBIAuto.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.